Welcome back to Cosmos Airdrop. Today we are exploring UNIZEN, an airdrop that is currently running on ZIN chain testnet, where users can complete tasks to earn XP points. These XP points will convert into the ZCX token, the native assets in a future reward round. Early adopters of this airdrop will use this unique opportunity to position themselves for this airdrop by participating in this testnet. So in this video, I will be discussing about how this testnet airdrop works and how you can claim your token. As you can see, that this airdrop have raised about 200 million of this token, and the time to complete this airdrop is just 10 minutes. And as you can see, the status of this airdrop is really confirmed. So in this video, I'll be explaining the step-to-step processes of what you should do for you to claim this airdrop. But before I continue, I would like you to go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click on all in the notification to stay alerted whenever we post any video. Don't forget to join us on our new Telegram group right there on Telegram. You can also get to view us right here on Twitter too. So let's go back to what we have today. So what are the procedures for you to participate in the airdrop? So first of all, the link of this airdrop will be down in the description. Please to go down to the link of the description and click on the link right here. Click on get access link, and the secondary is to click on the join that will appear on the screen. Then you can proceed to quotes right here, where we are going to complete all the quest right here. Don't forget that you are going to connect your wallet and referring of friends and small points. So let's proceed to this right now, guys. You will have, once you click on the link, so firstly I'm going to connect my wallet right here, to connect it to an EVM wallet, which is the MetaMask. So click on connect. So guys, I just connected my wallet. I'm going to complete the captcha right here. It says that I'm not a robot. Guys, I have my account ready right here, so I'm going to proceed to quest right here. So I'll click on the quest section, where I'm going to see all the different points, or what I should do to add more points, like connecting to Discord and playing some of their roles right here. So these are their social media quests right here, and these are all the quests right here. So once you connect to Discord, it will show you other quests for you to accumulate more points. The unique function of this airdrop is that UNIZEN solutions involve splitting trees across thousands of these DNX and thousands of liquidity pool. This ensures users also get the best token output. Additionally, the platform supports real-time execution across chains, according to the digital assets to become accessible as soon as the liquidity becomes available. So this UNIZEN innovation solution is a decentralized token that has the potential to revolutionize the industry. By participating in their testnet and staying updated on their progress, you can be part of the exciting community. Thanks for watching Cosmos Airdrop. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more blockchain and crypto related content. See you in the next video.